Wherever you go, there you are, by Jon Kabat-Zinn, is a timeless guide to mindfulness, an invitation to come home to ourselves by learning to be present. The book is not a step-by-step manual, but a mosaic of reflections, insights, and meditative provocations that explore the art of being rather than doing. Kabat-Zinn, the founder of mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, structures the book in short chapters, each one a nugget of wisdom centered around living with intention and awareness. Let's journey through the key themes, chapter by chapter, discovering the essence of mindful living. Part 1. The Bloom of the Present Moment. Kabat-Zinn begins by emphasizing that mindfulness is simply paying attention, on purpose, in the present moment, non-judgmentally. In the first chapter, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. He sets the tone. Life is full of chaos, but mindfulness is our surfboard. We can't control everything, but we can change our relationship to what happens. In the chapter Simple But Not Easy, we learn that mindfulness isn't about escaping reality or achieving bliss. It's about facing what is with openness and equanimity. It's deceptively simple, just sit and be, but incredibly challenging because our minds resist stillness. Stopping is a central theme. Kabat-Zinn invites us to literally stop in our tracks, to break free from automatic pilot. In stopping, we begin seeing rather than reacting. This pause, this moment of awareness, creates the space for choice and insight. In non-doing, he explains how we're conditioned to chase results, but mindfulness encourages a different mode, being. It's a profound shift from measuring our worth by achievements to embracing the richness of each moment. The chapter Trusting explores the power of trusting ourselves and our inner wisdom. Mindfulness requires this kind of faith, not in dogma, but in our own capacity to see clearly. Part 2. The Heart of Practice. As we enter Part 2, Kabat-Zinn moves into how to actually practice mindfulness. In Sitting Meditation, he details the practice of sitting with awareness, paying attention to breath, sensations, sounds, or thoughts without clinging or pushing away. He gently reminds us that thoughts are not problems. They're just part of the weather of the mind. In The Mountain and the Lake, Kabat-Zinn offers imagery to stabilize practice. The mountain symbolizes steadfastness and dignity, even amid changing weather. The lake represents tranquility and acceptance, holding reflections of what comes and goes without grasping. The lesson in letting go is a cornerstone. To let go is not to force detachment, but to release the grip of our mind's need to control. Like holding a butterfly too tightly, clinging only crushes the moment. Patience and Beginner's Mind are gentle calls to see the world afresh. When we drop our expectations and judgments, life becomes more vivid, more intimate. We start noticing what we've been missing. Loving kindness connects mindfulness with compassion. Kabat-Zinn encourages us to hold ourselves and others with tenderness, seeing our shared humanity and imperfections without turning away. Part 3. In the Spirit of Mindfulness. In the final section, the book takes mindfulness from the cushion into daily life. Kabat-Zinn insists that mindfulness is not limited to meditation. In Cleaning the Stove, while listening to Bobby McFerrin, he shows how ordinary tasks become sacred when done with presence. The chapters Everyday Blessings, Driving Meditation, and Washing the Dishes reinforce this. Every moment is an opportunity for presence. Folding clothes, waiting in line, or listening to someone, these can be doorways into awareness. Practice as a Path reveals that mindfulness is not a technique but a way of being, a lifelong journey. There is no finish line, only continuous returning to now. This humility is central to the spirit of the book. In Going Upstairs, Kabat-Zinn uses the metaphor of awareness as the staircase between the floors of our inner world. Instead of reacting from the basement of fear or compulsion, mindfulness helps us rise to the upper levels of reflection and choice. The book closes with reflections on discipline, intentionality, and freedom. In each moment is all we need. We're reminded that this moment, right now, is enough. We don't need to become someone else. We just need to show up for life as it is. Final reflections and lessons. The overall message of Wherever You Go, There You Are is not to escape or fix ourselves, but to arrive, fully and wholeheartedly, where we already are. Kabat-Zinn teaches us that mindfulness is a radical act of sanity, especially in a world that prizes speed and distraction. The key lessons include: mindfulness is a practice of awareness and acceptance. not control or judgment. You already have everything you need to be present. You just need to stop and listen. The ordinary is extraordinary when approached with full attention. Compassion, patience, and self-kindness are essential attitudes on the path. There's no destination in mindfulness, only deeper intimacy with the present.